Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you how to do circle wheelies. So let's begin with the explanation. So to start this training, you need to have like clean control over the bike. So the throttle needs to be really smooth and with easy pull. Also the clutch needs to be really working, really fine. So don't use it with bent lever and that stuff. Also the rear brake, it needs to be really working, and it's really important because you're going to brake with it a lot, because if you want to like turn more, you need to lose speed and also to push the bike back. If you want to go like straight, you need to give the throttle. So like throttle is to make the bike more straight and brake is to make the bike to lean to the left. So how to start it, I want to explain this for like every rider, not just like pro riders. So it's step by step. You need training how to lift the front wheel up. It's not easy job, so how to do it I'm going to show you. Roll in the first gear, brake with the front brake, give the throttle and then release the clutch. Also pull the bike with your body. So let's do. So brake and that's stop. So yeah guys, this is the first step to get that feeling when the bike is lifting up. And also you can do like training with this, the rear brake, to put the bike down, because it's really important to get that feeling of the rear brake. If you don't have it, you're going to crash. So the next technique what you need to learn is with the left foot. So if you want to turn it in the right, no, right to the left. So if you want the bike to turn to the left, you need to put the left feet down, so like that. Also the butt needs to be not in the center of the bike, it needs to be in the left position. Also it's really important to have that feeling that it's okay to do it. Some people are used to go on the another side, it's also okay for you, but the problem is you don't have the rear brake to save you. So that is scary for me, I'm not doing that. So to start it, you can training with the small clutch up pop-ups. So left foot to the ground, front and then to the back. So it's important to get that feeling to pull the bike to the left, because if you pull it straight, the bike is going to go just straight, and that's not the circle. So yeah guys, this was the really short circle, but that is not really what I want to show you. I want to show you a really big circle. Also, it's important to find really clean ground with no bumps, because bumps are not that good. It's going to make you crash, because you're going to lose the feeling for the rear brake. So I'm going to show you how to do now the bigger circles. It's like the wheelie with one foot down. So play with the clutch. Also the feet is going to make you balance. So you can see my body is almost on the fender of the bike, because at that point the balance point is more easy to control, because every weight of my body is on the real wheel. If my body is in center of the position, it's also possible, but not that easy. So I want you to like turn the handlebar to the opposite side and have the body pulling the bike to the left. Also, it's important to have good clutch control. I'm going to now to show you without the clutch, but with the clutch it's more easy. So you see, also without clutch it's easy, but for me, because I have experience with this, so now I show it without the clutch. It's also possible, but it's not that easy because you need really big experience with this. So I'm going now to show you, like, more speed is going to make bigger circles, and lower speed is going to make the small circles. Let's make the straight wheelie. So now I'm going to show you small circles. So as you can see, if you need like bigger circles, you need to do with more speed, and like for smaller circles you need lower speed, but also it's important to more to the lean to the left. Oh yeah. So again, if you want to lean more, you need lean more and less speed. And if you're going to crash to the left, the natural feeling is to stop and put the feet down, but that is not needed. Just give the throttle and the bike is going to lift the front wheel up again straight. That is like physics. So short wheelie, look, and now throttle. So thank you very much guys for watching this video to the end. So if you need more like tips and tricks for enduro, just comment below and I'm going to make how to make the video. So let's go to the next video.